Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So, Filecoin holders, a very huge mistake of holders is doing in the same time, and Filecoin is completely gone in the garbage now, my brother. If you're doing this mistake, you are completely in the lost. What's the mistake, my brother? I will tell you in this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's see this time. Last 7 days chart is going to be very good now, but my friend, the current condition is going to be very bad now. And the last 7 day my plus 5.26% the price is increased, and price is come to 94.73 USD dollars. So it's mean to the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But if we check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart, then absolutely we understand to what's going on this time. So this chart is completely showing, my brother, you can see here to this coin is going in the garbage, and this coin is completely falls down. What's the main reason to this coin as falls down, and what's the mistake of holders? The mistake of holders, my friends, to holders are starting selling. If you are starting selling, then this is your mistake, my brother. So kindly don't do this mistake, otherwise you completely in the lost, my brother. You know what, why I tell you to you are starting selling, then this is your mistake, because you know in the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down. So if you starting selling this time, so definitely this coin is falls down more and more, and they cannot recover, my friend, the price now soon. So I will tell you, I share my opinion, I do a prediction, but kindly before I started, holders, please don't say it. This is my opinion, personal experience I want to share you, my brother. So therefore do this what I talk you, my brother. So you can see this chart is completely showing, my brother, to really there is a chance so they will take a jump or not. So my friends, especially from last 7 days, first month or first week of this month is going to be very good, but after that, if you can see, my friend, they completely falls down. They hit the resistance line. So it's mean to, if they hit the resistance line, so it's mean to they are in the loss. Definitely they are in the loss, because minus 17.66% the price is decreased now, and very bad change occur now. But I hope, my friends, they will recover soon if you hold. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friend, at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So if Filecoin is starting moving upward, then definitely this coin will give you very good profit now. So hope you understand. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos.